Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wild and wonderful world of animals, uncovering some of the most incredible and mind-blowing facts that you probably never knew. From jaw-dropping abilities to quirky habits, animals have some amazing secrets that will leave you stunned. Whether you're an animal lover or just curious about nature's marvels, you won't want to miss this. Get ready for 10 incredible animal facts you never knew. Before we go on, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's get started. Number 1. Some jellyfish are immortal. Teratopsis doharnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish, is a species of tiny, biologically immortal jellyfish. They can be found across the world's oceans in all kinds of tropic waters. And they're one of the few known animals that are capable of completely aging backwards through their life cycle. Kind of like a butterfly turning back into a caterpillar, or a frog turning back into a tadpole. Basically, the Benjamin Button of the deep. This means that they don't have a definitive lifespan and, in theory, could live forever if they keep reverting back to their previous states. Having said that, it only happens if the jellyfish is put under immense stress, like starvation or serious injury. 2. A dog's sense of smell is 40 times stronger than ours. Dogs, our loyal companions, experience the world mainly through their noses. Their sense of smell is roughly 40 times better than ours because they have up to 300 million olfactory receptors compared to our mere 5 million. When we enter a room, we might notice the smell of a cake baking, but a dog would detect each individual ingredient and even track where each one is. This keen sense of smell is why dogs are employed in search and rescue missions, sniffing out explosives, and even detecting certain medical conditions. Some dogs have such a keen sense of smell they can even sniff out medical problems. There have been many cases where a dog has smelt an impending seizure, or when their owners need more medication. 3. A koala fingerprints are incredibly similar to our own koalas. The adorable marsupials from Australia have fingerprints so similar to humans that they can confuse forensic scientists. The intricate patterns on their fingertips are almost indistinguishable from ours. This evolutionary marvel likely evolved for the same reason it did in humans: to enhance their ability to grip and handle objects, like eucalyptus leaves, their main diet. It's fascinating to think that our evolutionary paths converged in such a specific and detailed trait. At first glance, it might not seem that koalas have a lot in common with us, but if you inspect their hands, they actually have fingerprints that are just like ours. In fact, they're so similar that in Australia there are concerns that koalas can contaminate crime scenes. So, all koalas, take note. Don't forget to don some gloves before you rob that bank. 4. Elephants are the only land mammals that can't jump. Elephants are magnificent and powerful creatures, but unlike most land animals, they can't jump. Their sheer size and weight make it physically challenging. Their legs are more like pillars, designed to support their massive bodies rather than for agility. This isn't a drawback for them, though. Their strength and social intelligence more than make up for it. Elephants have adapted to their environment in unique ways, using their trunks for various tasks and showcasing incredible memory and emotional depth. The reason why is quite simple, really. They don't need to. Most animals that have evolved to jump, think kangaroos, frogs, or monkeys, have only learned to do so to evade predators, whereas elephants can keep themselves safe in other ways, namely their huge size, strong tusks, and protection from their large social groups. And, not so shockingly, it would be quite hard for an elephant to get off the ground. In fact, it's completely impossible for them to do so. This is because their bones and joints all face downwards, which means they can't spring off the ground. 5. It takes sloths up to a month to digest a single leaf. As you might have guessed, everything sloths do is slow. Eating is no exception. Humans take between 12 to 14 hours to digest and eliminate waste. But when it comes to sloths, the whole process can take up to a leisurely 30 days. 6. Some crabs have teeth inside their stomachs. Some crabs have specialized structures called gastric mills inside their stomachs, functioning like internal teeth to grind up food. These mills, made up of calcified plates and muscles, are essential for crabs since they lack teeth in their mouths. They efficiently break down tough plant and animal matter, aiding digestion and nutrient absorption. Evolution gave crabs this internal mechanism to process hard-shelled prey, like mollusks, which external chewing can't manage. Not all crabs have the same type of gastric mills. Different species and diets lead to variations. This unique adaptation allows crabs to thrive on diverse diets in various habitats. A crab's claw can be quite intimidating to predators, rivals, and their prey. But for the ghost crab, that's not enough. That's why they often growl at their enemies. When you think of growling, you probably think of dogs, lions, or other ferocious beasts. Either way, you probably wouldn't associate it with crabs that have teeth in their tummies. These teeth aren't just used for growling, though. They're located in the stomach, and they rub against each other to grind up food. 7. Flamingos are actually pale gray or white, not pink. The phrase, "you are what you eat," couldn't be more true for flamingos. Their vibrant pink color comes from the algae and shrimp they eat. In reality, their feathers are actually light gray or white. It's a similar story with polar bears. Their fur is translucent and only appears white because it reflects the snow and ice around them. Beneath it all, they actually have jet black skin. 8. A tiger's skin is striped, not just their fur. Speaking of skin, a tiger's one is striped in the same way their fur is. And just like our fingertips, a tiger's stripes are unique to each one. The same is true for domesticated cats. Some patterned cats like tabbies, tortoiseshells, and calicos have skin that's just a lighter shade of their hair color. 9. Otters have the world's thickest coat. 10. An octopus has 3 hearts. We all know that octopuses have 8 tentacles. But did you know that they also have 3 hearts? 2 of them are used to carry blood to the gills, and the third brings blood to the rest of their body. If that wasn't enough, they also have 9 brains. That's probably why they're so intelligent. And there you have it, 10 truly unbelievable animal facts that make the animal kingdom even more fascinating. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with fellow animal lovers, and subscribe for more amazing insights into the natural world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.